Hi guys! Today I'm showing you how to crochet this beautiful lace pattern on a twisted wrap, or you could use it as a scarf. It measures approximately 24 inches by 12 inches. I used the acrylic yarn for this project. This is a number 3 category yarn. Each one is about 100 grams, but you can use any type of yarn of your choice. A 5mm hook, a pair of scissors, yarn needle, and 1 stitch marker. Alright, let's get started. For demonstration purpose, I'm using a different type of yarn so you can see it better on the screen. First, make a slip knot. Make a chain that's a multiple of 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. I'm making 64 chains, but the actual item has 256 chains, which is about 48 inches long. Once you have the chain made, slip stitch into the end of the chain to form a ring, and make sure your chain is not twisted. One chain. In the same chain, place a single crochet. Insert, yarn over, pull up a loop, yarn over, pull through 2 loops, and place a marker on this stitch. 2 chains, 1, 2. Skip 1, skip 2, skip 3, double crochet, yarn over, insert, yarn over, pull up a loop, yarn over, pull through the first 2 loops, and yarn over, pull through the last 2 loops. Again, double crochet into the same chain. So now we have 2 double crochet, 1 chain, and place 2 double crochet into the same chain. 1, 2. 2 chains, 1, 2. Skip 1, 2, 3. Single crochet into the next stitch. 2 chains, 1, 2. Skip 1, 2, 3. 2 double crochet. 1, 2. 1 chain, and 2 double crochet into the same chain. 2 chains. Skip 3, 1, 2, 3. Single crochet into the next stitch. And this is the repeat for this round. Repeat this all the way around, and I'll meet you at the end of the round. Once we're back at the beginning, 2 chains, and skip the last 3 chains. Here is our first stitch with the marker. Turn, so the marker is facing down. And we're going to work on the other side of the chain. In the same chain where we place a single crochet, place a single crochet. Two chains. Skip the chain space. In this stitch, place 2 double crochet. 1, 2, 1 chain, and 2 double crochet into the same chain. 2 chains. Skip the chain space. In the single crochet stitch, place a single crochet. 2 chains. skip the chain space, place 2 double crochet, 1 chain, and 2 double crochet. Basically, we're mirroring what we did on the other side. To begin round 2, here's our first stitch, 2 chains, skip the chain space, join the round by slip stitch into the first stitch. Three chains, 1, 2, 3. In the same stitch, place a bean stitch. Yarn over, insert, pull up a loop, yarn over, insert into the same stitch, pull up a loop, yarn over, insert into the same stitch one more time, pull up a loop. We have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Yarn over, pull through 7 loops. 3 chains, 1, 2, 3. Skip all the stitches. In the 1 chain space, single crochet, 3 chains. Skip all the stitches. In the single crochet stitch, place a bean stitch. Yarn over, insert, pull up a loop. Again, yarn over, insert into the same stitch, pull up a loop. One more time. 7 loops on the hook, yarn over, pull through 7 loops. 3 chains. 1, 2, 3. In the 1 chain space, single crochet. Repeat this all the way around and I'll meet you on round 3. To begin round 3, slip stitch into the first stitch, which is the one next to the bean stitch. 1 chain, single crochet, 2 chains. In the single crochet stitch, place 2 double crochet, 1, 2, 1 chain, and 2 double crochet into the same stitch. Basically, round 3 is a repeat of round 1. 2 chains. On the bean stitch, single crochet, 2 chains, place 2 double crochet into the single crochet stitch, 1 chain, 2 double crochet, 2 chains. The bean stitch, place a single crochet. Round 3 is the repeat of round 1, and round 4 is the repeat of round 2. From here, repeat round 1 and round 2 for as many times as you like. I stopped when it measures about 12 inches. At the end of the final round, slip stitch, 1 chain, cut yarn, and wave in the tail. And that's all for today. Please don't forget to subscribe to my channel, hit the like button and the notification bell, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye!